All right. Good morning. Tuesday, February 25th. How we doing? How was everyone's day yesterday? It is a new day, fresh slate. Just here looking for those easy money opportunities. That is the goal and the objective for today and every day. Looking for that easiest money play. Don't want to fight for it. Let the trade come to you. So this morning, the main focus is going to be how price trades versus this 21,450 and prior day low area. Sellers are looking for that continuation move down beneath that prior day low. That's going to be the primary reference point that I'm looking at this morning. Prior day low and 21,450. Main focus. We can see how strong sellers are sitting here at 450, right? Just defending that area. Yesterday, pretty significant bounce versus this level. Rolls over in the afternoon. We close on the lows, and then all during the overnight sesh, that early morning session, you have 21,450 serving as resistance. Almost getting into 21,340. Couple minutes ahead of the bell here. So anything below prior day low, I'll be extra cautious with. As always, I trade to the long side. So, given that the backdrop is neutral bearish, this is definitely not my favorite environment. So, again, just want to be real cautious, patient with how we pick our trades, what spots we get involved with. These are the type of environments where if you were trading sloppy during some of this action or even within the range, some of the more of this trending higher action the past few days, the market is going to let you know about that. It's going to tell you you can't get away with that slop anymore. So remember the backdrop. Remember the current conditions, the current environment plays a big role in how easy those setups are going to be. There's definitely environments that are easier than others. That's for sure. So let's see this open. We got about 20 seconds till the open again. Prior day low going to be that main focus. Prior day low currently 21,407.5. Bumping into that prior day low right now. There's the open. What's up, Ray? Yeah, it's a nice sunny day here in Dallas. Beautiful morning here. So NQ again, we're looking at prior day low 21,407.5. We do have a slight gap lower this morning. True gap outside of the prior day's range. NQ pressing the lows. We're getting into 21,340. It's a downside level of interest. There's 340. Overnight low down there at 21,286. Now, typically in a more bullish environment, I'd definitely be looking at a long right here at 340, but not today. Not today. Staying patient. Do we have any 10 a.m. data this morning? Yes, we do. Consumer confidence at 10 a.m. and then a couple of Fed speakers later today as well. Yeah, 340 is a good level. Good level of interest there, respected pre-market. I don't want to be fighting this pre 10 a.m. directional move, so staying patient. Staying patient. We have continued weakness below that prior day low so far. Yeah, Russell, I wouldn't mind seeing some action up above prior day low, up above the 21,450 level of interest. But as of right now, just sitting here at 340. Volume is really good, so that's not a concern right now. There's a nice push back into that VWAP area. Coming into that prior day low. Let's see. Sellers reload there, prior day low. Yeah, look at that. Right back into 340. Just a little ping pong here between the levels. Yeah, same page, Dom. No rush. No rush. Not even 10 minutes into this session. Got all day. There's NQ into the session low. See if a new low is made. There's your new low of day. Got the short, Noah. Nice. Nicely done. NQ still with the ping pong here between 340 and VWAP. Ray grabbed the spring. Nicely done. There we go. I'm still cash. Still cashed up. NQ back into the lows. Yeah, overnight low. I wouldn't mind seeing that. Let's see. Right there at 286. The Opinicus bot is short. Looks like it just locked some in. So right now, game plan remains the same. Looking for action up above prior day low. Otherwise, I want to see that reaction down here into the overnight low. There's your new low of day. Got the fresh low. Next downside reference is the overnight low. Let's see this overnight low. 286, 286. No need to force it. No need to force anything, fellas. There's your new low of day coming into that overnight low. So far we have that prior day low rejected. Couple of bounces versus 340, like I said earlier. In a more bullish backdrop, I would definitely attempt some longs through there. But given it is neutral bearish right now, no play for me through there. Now we get into the overnight low, 286. So if this area fails, we'll be looking at 250. And then down below 250, I have nothing until 21,100 as far as levels are concerned. There's your overnight low, a little blip beneath. If you have any shorts from higher, that's a good area to be reducing. And we are about 10 minutes till 10 a.m. here. We do have data at 10 a.m. See if we get that 10 a.m. RT. NQ new low of day. Pretty limited interest there at the overnight low so far. Yeah, that backdrop continues to work quite nicely, Christopher. Gotta love it. No data here. What is this? What? There we go. So 250 not far off here. And Q just steadily working its way towards the lower portion of this larger range at play. Much higher time frame range here. Multi-month range. Here we go into 250. Down through 250, no interest there. Very similar to what we saw yesterday. Benny, nice work, man. Yeah, those consistency rules are a little silly. Check out Take Profit Trader. No consistency there. No penalty for making more money. Yeah, TPT, Take Profit Trader. Yeah, no consistency at Top Step either. True. So at this point, where are we at? 6 minutes till 10 a.m. I'm either going to be looking at waiting till 10 a.m. or some reclaim of 250 with market structure. Typical protocol for me. Bearish near term environment. It's all about doing less, Doing less, at least for my playbook. There's your 250, 21, 250. Structure is king. Yep. Gotta love market structure. Gotta love it. There's some buyers stepping in. My trading view is like bugging out. Hold on. Can I reset this? Can I reload this? There we go. Is that better? All right. That's better. And Q back into that overnight low. All right. 2 minutes till 10 a.m. See how that data print is looking. Grab your intraday fib right there. There's that 38% with the overnight low. Sellers reload there at the overnight low so far, and we get back into 21 250. About 1 minute till 10. 1 minute. 1 minute till data. Tape dancing for sure. So you know that data's coming 15 seconds. See what we get here. 250 stays on watch, 21,250 as well as that overnight low. Then we get right back into session lows. So if the lows fail here, if we see acceptance down beneath session low, no involvement for me until 21,100 or some change in character, some intraday change in character. There's your new low of day, NQ. Highest volume of the sesh just a minute ago. There's some buyers stepping in. Almost a fresh low right there. There it is. There's your new low of day. See how quickly we can trade into 100. Dom, I only use the posted levels. So if it's not posted, it's not on my radar personally. Posted in the notes. Oh no, my bad. Yeah, you both have the blue profile picture. Still trying to get long. I'm waiting till 21 100. Watch the reaction down there. NQ right now is no man's land, so no trade for me. Got to respect the system at all times. Otherwise, that trade gets logged as a donation. I'd rather donate to a charity than the market, personally. So we wait. We wait. We wait. Still cashed. Still cashed. Donate to me instead. Little consolidation here near the 21 200. All right, Russell, take care, man. Location is good? Just making stuff up now. Just trading anything, aren't you? Drew 10 fibs. Location is now good. All right. There you go. All right, Steve, take care, man. Have a good one. About 45 minutes into the sesh, still cash. I'm looking for action above 250, 21, 250, or a potential reversal versus 100. This is still all no man's land here. So no trade can be taken. There it is. There's your new low of day. New low of day. Christopher, I hope you didn't get along, man. I really hope you did not get along. Along with stop at 100. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. 100-point stop. All right, session low 135. So we're getting pretty close to that downside level of interest. See if there's actually a bid there or not. There's your new low of day, neutral bearish backdrop. Yeah, 3 consecutive trend days, a little unusual. That's for sure. That is for sure. But that's why we always go with what price is actually showing us. What is price actually showing us? All right, we're getting into 21,100 downside level of interest that we mentioned probably 15 minutes ago or so from 250. Let's see, do buyers respond or not? I don't need to be the first one in here, so let's see if buyers actually respond. Are we going to 21K? There's your fresh low right there. 21K is next downside level if this area fails. In which case, it'll probably be a no trade morning, rather. We'll see. Focus on that late morning or afternoon sesh. New low of day. No interest at 100. So it looks like we may have a date with 21K here. $21K. It's coming up fast now, only 50 points away. Pretty wild. We're already more than one ATR this morning. Another expansion move. Highest volume of the sesh right there. The market has been dragging the fibs lower. You just take them off till price actually bounces. Almost into 21K. Look how fast that last 70 points happened. 2 minutes. Let's see if that volume is showing us a little exhaustion now. All right, back into 21,100. 21,100. Sellers reload. Reloaded. Monitoring the reclaim of 21,100. Yeah, let's see if it actually trades above. Question is, will we see 2K? That's probably pretty unlikely. 2K. But anything can happen in markets. I don't know. I have no crystal ball. I just trade whatever price shows me. No prediction required. No crystal ball. Here's your rejection, 21,100. We're back in a session low. Dom, you got that short? Got the short, Dom? Nicely done. Yeah, that was a clean reject. I like it. I do like it. Let's see how this 100 is going to be treated again. A little bit of a higher low right there. If we get that reclaim with acceptance above 100. Nonstop layup shorts. You shorting me? You shorting, man? You can always invert the chart. Hit that inversion. Wow, look at that. There you go. That looks like a nice long right there. Bang. Right there. Bang. Give you a little retest right there. Bam. Look at that, man. Just flip it upside down. Flip it upside down. What's that inverse QQQ? I think it's S. Is it SQQQ? Yeah. There you go. Hey, grab your SQQQ calls. That way you don't have to short. You don't even have to short. Just grab the inverted product. SQQQ. Oh, it's still inverted. There we go. There it is. Ripper. Yeah, it's been a while, Ray. Been a while. All right, little consolidation here. Got that next 30-minute bar starting up in about a minute. 1 minute. Yeah, Albert, you can invert the chart on Thinkorswim also. So if you struggle to see the shorts, you can always just invert the chart. Bang. Just don't forget you have it inverted. May compound the confusion a bit. There it goes, back into the lows. So game plan right now, I'm looking for action above 21,100. So I like the reclaim of the level with market structure, or we'll see if there's going to be a reversal versus 21K. But for me right now, patience really name of the game. Right back into the lows. 28.25 current low. All right, Dom, take care. Kevin, see you later. Have a good day. Yes, sir. Next 30 for 30 March cohort starting up in I think Saturday is March 1st. Yeah, Saturday, March 1st. It's gonna be great. We do have that February low right down here. 21K area. What's that absolute low? 943. Ray, you're in for 30 for 30? All right, I'll get you added. Get you in there. We got a good group now. A solid group jumping in. Yeah, Christopher, you're already in there. I got you added yesterday. Got you in there. All right, look at this. Back into 21,100. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. RTH session volume point of control now beneath current price. A lot of volume done at that 21,060 level. It's always noteworthy. Like that session volume point of control as a tailwind, not a headwind. Into that shallow fib now, 23% fib. A little retest right there. Let's see. Do buyers have the appetite for some risk or not? Or is it a little rejection? A little overshoot and rejection. Buyers are trying. They're certainly trying. Notice how that exhaustion volume we mentioned earlier marked the session low? That one particular candle with the highest volume of the sesh. So if we see some acceptance above 100, we're still just kind of churning here near that shallow fib. Buyers will be looking for this 50%. If they can get up there, you have a little bit of intraday structure right in this area. 50% fib right through there. All right, I put my trail in profit already. We grabbed 25 points. Let's see if we could catch a runner here or not. Not a wait and see trade for me. So we'll keep that trail nice and tight. First trade of the day. Life of a long only and a bearish backdrop. Not far off the trail. Here comes the trail already. And, oh, not quite. Not quite. There it is. There's the trail. We're out. That's how it goes. That is how it goes. Do not want to be fighting the backdrop too aggressively, so keep it nice and tight. Nice and tight. Bullish backdrop, you give us some breathing room. Bearish, trying longs. No way. No way. And a case in point right there while we trail tight. Case in point. There's our extended hours. Volume point of control still way up there. 428, 428. RTH still just beneath price. So definitely encouraging for now. If we can see buyers continue to defend that area, 21,060. But my preference is for action like above 100. Some retest maybe. Start to go for that 50% fib up into 250. It's kind of the path that longs would be looking for. Otherwise, sellers just want another rollover right here, flush the low, trade 21K, flush 21K, trade down into that February low. But we are starting to get pretty close to that multi-month support down here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see more buying interest as we get down there. Time will tell. Time will tell. NQ just churn here. I gave it one more attempt right there. Added another 25 points or so. So two trades and plus 50. It's not bad. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. How we doing? Anyone grab those? Anyone grab that's right up Christopher's alley. I know he's probably in there. I know he probably hit that. Martin, what's up, man? Where you been? Where you been, man? Long time no see. Rich grabbed that first one. Christopher didn't manage it quick enough. It's that backdrop. Got to keep it tight. Locked up. Hope you mean for work. A little more churn right here. Churn. Fight for price. We got the matcha and the espresso in the drink rotation right now. Did not hit that third attempt. That might be it for me. That could be it. Sellers have just been dominating this tape. It's a seller's tape. You out of here, Christopher? All right, take care, man. Have a good day. See you in the chat. So at this point, I want to see this little structure be cleared to the upside or some trade down here. Until then, I'm just going to be sitting happy with my two little scalps there. RTH session volume point of control has shifted higher. See if 120 can break. What's that shallow fib? 115 area? Okay. 115. One 15er. Then bumping right back into this 125. There you go. Looks a little better now. There's some more buyers stepping in. There you go. It's a little bit of a better push. So that's what I wanted to see with my first couple of attempts there. May have been a little bit early. A little bit early. So buyers, like I said earlier, are looking for this intraday market structure area as well as that 50% fib retrace. I would expect sellers attempt to reload somewhere through here. 21,250 level of interest, VWAP, fib sell zone. Pretty nice push here though. Did not find a re-entry. All right, we're about 90 minutes into the sesh. I think we call it there. Like I said, I'll be looking at any retest into 100, that hold as support for an entry. Otherwise, I can't chase this move here. But some more buyers starting to step in. If you're wanting to short, probably want to wait for this zone up through here. Fib sell zone, 21,250. Be a good spot for it. Hope you guys had a good morning. Another trend day move, at least so far. Patience paid. Yes, sir, Rich. Absolutely. Think we have. Is it GDP tomorrow? I think GDP is tomorrow. And I'm pretty sure we have Nvidia earnings after the bell tomorrow as well. So tomorrow and the back half of the week should get more interesting. But we'll keep it going in the think tank here. Hope you guys had a good one. If you have questions about anything, reach out in the think tank. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow morning.